This video is made possible by our loyal Patreon supporters. Visit patreon.com.
Hi, this is Chandler Rose. Here's a great quick fix for tense or painful shoulders. Be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And if you haven't already, follow us on social media for tips, tutorials, giveaways, and daily inspiration. First, I always like to start with a breath to get grounded and allow our bodies to relax. So take a deep breath here, in through the nose, and out through the mouth. And again. One more. Next, we're going to do a little pec stretch to help open up the shoulders. So I'm going to have you take your right hand and place it behind your shoulder and press in through the chest, opening up the pec on that side. Just for one breath. And then the other side. Opening up the pecs. Next, I'll have you palpate your pec attachments and release those with your fingers. So we're going to do 1, 2, 3, massaging the pecs. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Next, I'll show you some massage for the shoulders. I'll turn around so you can get a better view. All right, so from this position, locate whatever shoulder you're feeling happens to be more sore. For me, I can feel my left side more than my right. So I'm going to take my right hand and squeeze in towards the rhomboids and upper trapezius, just rolling my hand forward across those fibers, making sure to breathe as I'm loosening up this area. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And then going to the other side, letting that last arm rest. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Feel free to repeat this as much as you feel necessary. Now that I'm on my right side, I can feel I have a lot of crunchiness going on there. And then relax the arms and take a breath. And then with my right hand, I will loosen the deltoid on my left side. So squeezing in 1, 2, 3. Going to the top. 1, 2, 3. One more time. 1, 2, 3. And then the other side. Squeezing into the deltoid with my fingers and thumb and palm. 1, 2, 3. Breathing. 1, 2, 3. One more time. 1, 2, 3. And rest. So next, for the shoulder stretch, I'll have you move into child's pose with me. So go ahead and go down into child's pose, and then with your right arm, I'll have you slide it through the opening on the left, and then rest on that shoulder. You can kind of play with the position of that hand and arm, and I'm going to move this arm so you can see a little better. So we're compressing the shoulder a little bit here. We're also stretching the back of the shoulder. For a couple breaths. And then coming out. Back down on the other side. Looping through with my arm. Compressing that shoulder and breathing, stretching the outside of the rotator cuff area, the top of the deltoid, and compressing the pecs. This will all help your shoulder relax. Taking a breath here. And then slowly coming up. Feel free to repeat this or refer back to it whenever you're feeling shoulder pain and you need a quick fix. And I look forward to seeing you soon. Thank you so much.
Introducing Yoga Plus, offering a free series every month with over 300 different videos. Take control of your health. Work out anytime, anywhere. Yoga Plus. Download now for free.